to make a video today because we have a blacksmith here who's just set a forge up in the paddock to do a little introductory course to blacksmithing with the kids, and I think he's got some really cool ideas and concepts that I just think need to be shared with the world. So, making a little video of today. Really excited, got about 12 homeschool, unschool kids coming, and today's going to be a good day.
This way we're putting a little net.
It's going up. John, we got to let Ellie in.
You look great, you look great.
My feathers on?
Yes. So John, can you just talk a little bit about your purpose in life?
In life? Well, I think it's to share the ongoing joy and sense of being alive that being able to make stuff makes possible. I'm kind of aware that some people have well-developed parts of their lives, and they're really good at certain things, and not particularly confident or have big stone walls about what they can't do.
Yep.
And in my experience, people who are creative and can make stuff have less of those. They're more kind of whole as a person, and be it making music or making objects or artistic events or parties or whatever, like making is a creative capacity, isn't it?
It is. Is this too risky for the mainstream?
It's what they're supposed to be doing according to the national curriculum. So it might be risky, but that's just a management strategy. Managing risk is a management strategy, isn't it? So if any risk needs to be assessed in lieu of its potential benefits as well, because then you can make a balanced decision. If you're only seeing an activity in light of what risks it may entail, that's only looking at the shadows. We have to look at both the shadows and the light and see what stands between. So if we can say yes, it can be risky, but more often than not, it's the benefits far outweigh the risks. So we have to be realistic, mature, and look at what the risks are and then manage them so that the benefits are realised, not the risks.
Oh.